Students, what was seen in the last class?
Induction principle, binomial theorem,
Yes.
base B representative.
Yes, ma'am. Good. Induction principle, Nama. Induction principle. Method of induction principle, ma. That is, use some value for the given number. Okay. Let us put n equal to 0, n equal to 1, 2, 3, etc. up to k plus 1. Okay. That is the induction principle. Then binomial theorem, ma. Just recall the yesterday topics. Students, induction principle. Okay, then binomial theorem. Binomial theorem, that is p plus q whole power n equal to summation r equal to 0 to n ncr p power r q power n minus r. Okay, that's the binomial theorem. Okay, then base b representation. Okay, base b representation algorithm of base b base conversion algorithm. First divide by n by b and obtain the quotient and the remainder. Okay, find out the quotient and remainder, that is n equal to quotient plus r. Okay, then again you have to divide by the quotient by the number. Okay, that's the q naught equal to q1b plus r1. Okay, q1 is the remainder after divided the first quotient. Okay, then find out the next quotient. Okay, q1 equal to q2b plus r2. Okay, then proceed in this way until we get the zero quotient. Okay, that is the base b representation. Okay, algorithm. Okay, then we seen the base conversion from binary to octal. Binary to octal engiradhu conversion from binary to octal, that is the first form the group the bytes are in the threes from right to left. Okay, okay, the next will say the base conversion from binary to hexadecimal. Okay, base conversion from binary to hexadecimal. Okay, that is nothing but group the bytes 4s from right to left. Okay, mama, binary to octal enama paatho, that is the 3 bytes. Okay, 3 numbers. Okay, 3 digits number. Okay, now here binary to hexadecimal, that is the group the bytes 4s from right to left and replace each group with equivalent corresponding hexadecimal digit. Okay, mama, let's see the example. Express, okay, 11101 base 2 into a hexadecimal digit. Okay, so given is the binary number. Okay, 11101 base 2 into hexadecimal. Okay, hexadecimal. How can we find out, mom? We know that the procedure for the conversion binary to hexadecimal, that is to form the group of the digits 4. Okay, from the right to left. Okay, so first number right to left na, which number? Now form the group of the 4 digits number. Okay, 4 digits number no, from take from the right to left. Appo right to left na eduduma? Students, right to left 4 digits ma. So say there are 5 numbers is given. Okay, 5 numbers is given. 11101. Now we have to conversion binary to hexadecimal, that is the form the group of digits 4. Okay, so you can consider that is the right from the left, that is 1101. Okay, that is one of the, okay, one of the digits, group digits. Then another one more. Remaining one. Okay, remaining one. So consider the 0. Okay. That is 0, 0, 1. Okay. It is one of the group. Okay. 0, 0, 1 and 1, 1, 0, 1. Okay. Then base 2. Okay. Given is the base 2. So 0, 0, 0, 1 base 2, that is equal to 0 into. Okay. Now the 4 digits are there. Okay. So 2 power 3 in plus 0 into 2 power 2 plus 0 into 2 power 1 plus 1 into 2 power 0. Okay. Then simplify. That is answer 1. Okay. Again next one binary number 1101. Okay. Now expand the binary, that is 1 into 2 power 3 plus 1 into 2 power 2 plus 0 into 2 power 2 plus 1 into 2 power 0. Okay. That is equal to 13. So hexadecimal digit hexadecimal digits 11101 base 2 is equal to, that is equal to answer Elama. Students, it is equal to, take from up and down, okay, take from up and down, that is 1 1 1 3. Okay, 1 1 3. Okay, 1 1 13 ingradhu enama 13. Students, we know the values of A, B, C, D, etc. Okay, so A is equal to value of A
10.
10. Okay, B is equal to B
11, ma'am.
11.
11. Okay, then next one C is equal to
12.
12. Appo D is equal to
13.
13. Okay, so now the hexadecimal digit. Okay, now take from the up and down. Okay, so 1 1 3. Appo 13 is equal to D. Okay, base the 16. Okay, 4 digits edikkralama. It is the group of the 4 digit. So 4 digit 2 2. Okay, that is equal to 16. Okay, so base is 16. Okay, it is named binary to hexadecimal. Okay, I will give one more example. Okay, I'll do that. Okay, express 111, express 111, 01. Students, write the question. Express 111, 01, 01. Okay, again 01. 111, 01, 01. Base 2. 111. 01, 01. Okay, base is 2. Okay, now express the 111, 01, 01, base 2, asya hexadecimal. Hexadecimal. Do it now. Tell me the answer. Express 111, 01, 01, base 2 as a hexadecimal. So given is the binary digits. Okay. Now convert it to the hexadecimal. form the 4 digits group. Okay, that is to take right to left 4 digits of number. Four digits of number ma. Is equal to 4 digits of number. So from the group of the digits right to left, appo enna varum 0 1 0 1. Okay, that is the one of the group. Okay, then remaining ma 3 numbers are remaining. Okay va, so add the 0 in previous of 1. Okay va, so 0 1 1 1 comma 0 1 0 1. Is it right ma? Okay, tell me the answer, final answer. Hexadecimal digit.
75 base 16.
Ah, yes ma, good. Okay, that's the answer. Okay, next topic, octal to octal and hexadecimal to binary. Okay ma, octal number to binary and hexadecimal to binary. Okay ma. Now the problem, rewrite 237 base 16 as a binary digits. Okay va, binary digits na eppadi ma, that is to write 0 1 1 1. Okay va, like that. Okay, so now rewrite 236 base 16 as a binary digits. Okay, now given is the hexadecimal or octal ma, which one is given?
Hexadecimal.
Hexadecimal. Okay, because the since given base is 16. Okay wow, so it is the hexadecimal. Okay, so now we are going to find the solution of hexadecimal to binary digit. Okay mama, so how can we find out the binary number ma? Okay, binary oda base enna ma varum, base vandu it must be 2. Okay va, so first take the first digit 2 va, that is 2 is equal to. Okay, now given is the hexadecimal, so we have to convert we have to consider it is the 4 digits number. Okay va, 4 digit binary. So to find that, okay va, to find that, okay, now digit is 2 ma, the number is 2 divided by 2 ma, divided by 2. Find the remainder. Okay, 2 ஆல divide பண்ணா என்னமா கிடைக்குது binary numbers? Students, binary number basis should be 2. Okay va, so it's divide by 2. Okay, 2 divide 2 ma, 1 2 is 2. Okay, then remainder 0 va, so here consider that is 1 and 0. Okay, so 2 digit is 1 and 0, but given is the hexadecimal, so we have to consider it is the 4 digits of number. So first 1 0, then add the number 0 0 in previous 1 0. Okay va, so 0 into 2 power 3 plus 0 into 2 power 2 plus 1 into 2 power 1 plus 0 into 2 power 0. Okay, then answer that is equal to 2. Next digit ma, next hexadecimal digit ma 3 ah. Okay, that is also divided by 2. Okay, 3 divided by 2 is equal to 3 divided by 2 no. So students, 3 divided by 2 என்னப்பா? 3 divided by 2, that is 1 2 is 2, okay, remainder 1, okay, so 1 1, okay, add the previous number of 0 0, so binary number for 3, that is 0 0 1 1, okay, then also find for 7, okay, hexadecimal number 7, okay, now it is converted to the binary, it is also divided by 2. Now first one 3 2s are 6, okay, 3 2s are 6, remainder 1, okay, then again how to divide by 2, that is 1 2 is 2, remainder 1, okay, so 1 1 1, okay, now in the hexadecimal 4 digits of group, okay, group of the 4 digit, so consider the previous number 0, okay, so 0 1 1 1, okay, so 2 3 7 6 base 16, that is equal to, okay, that is equal to 0 0 1 0, then 0 0 1 1, then 0 triple 1, okay, base is 2, okay, so it is the hexadecimal to binary digits, okay. Any doubt more, students?
No, ma'am.
The next one question, 3AD, express 3AD base 16 as a binary digits. Do it more. Binary digit. 3AD base 16 as a binary digit. AD base 16 as a binary digit. Okay. Now say 3AD base 16. Okay. So given is the octal or hexadecimal. Which one is given? Students, given is the, which one is given ma? Octal or hexadecimal?
Hexadecimal.
Hexadecimal, okay, since base is 16, okay, now you convert to the binary digit, okay, can you do it more? Now A letter is given, A is equal to
10.
10, D is equal to
13.
13, okay, now here we have to convert it is to the binary digit, so the values are divided by 2, okay, mama, can you do it ma? Students?
Yes, ma'am.
Do it ma. P is equal to 10, capital E equal to 10, it is equal to then capital B, it is equal to 30, okay, find out. Okay, ma, 3 is equal to binary number Binary digit for 3 ma?
0011.
0011. Good. Okay, then 10 for
1010.
1010. Okay ma. Then 13 for
1101.
01. Good. Okay ma. So total enappa varudha 0011 1010 1101. Okay, now join the group of digit. Okay ma. Base is 2. The previous 00 varudalappa, that is me not. Okay. The next question, next example. Now rewrite 237 base 8 as a binary digit. Okay, 237 base 8 as a binary digit. Okay, now given is the octal or hexadecimal. Octal or hexadecimal amma? Students, octal base is 8. Okay va? So given is the octal. Okay, now octal அப்படிங்கறப்ப என்னப்பா வரும்? Group of the digit is, students, for the octal group of the digit is 3 or 4 amma?
3.
3. Okay va? Same method ma, divide பண்ணுங்க. 12 divide பண்ணி remainder எழுதுங்க. Students, are you getting the answer now? 237 base 8 equal to, now binary digits for the 2 ma, correct? 010 that is 3 is equal to 011, then 7 equal to 111. Students, did you get the answer ma? The next one, find the value of base b. Okay, find the values of base b. Find the value of base b. Okay, first one question, 1001 base b, that is equal to 9. Okay, then next question, 144 base b is equal to 49. Okay, okay, now to find b, okay, solution 1001 base b. Okay, now usually enna pannuvom, if suppose 2 is the base, then 2 power 3, 2 power 2, 2 power 1, okay, 2 power 0. Okay, same method here. Now given base is b. Okay, so split up that 1 into b power 3 plus 0 into b power 2. Okay, now given is the 4 digits. Okay, so starting from b power 3, then b square, then b power 1, b power 0, that is equal to 9. Okay, b power 3 plus 0, then 1 into anything power 0, 1. Okay, equal to 9. So b cube plus 9 is equal to, so 1 is equal to 9. Then b power 3, 9 minus 1, b power 3 is equal to 8. Okay, so b is equal to 2. Okay, mama, to find the base. Okay, this method. Then 144 base b, that is equal to 49. Okay, so to find the base b, same method here. Okay, now given is the 3 digits of number. Okay, so it's starting from the b power 2, b power 1, b power 0, that is equal to 49. Okay, then b square, after simplify the number. Okay, b is equal to 5. Okay, mama. Find the base b. Okay. Solve two more questions. The next question: find the number of ones in the binary representation of 2 power 4 minus 1. Okay. Find the number of ones in the binary representation of 2 power 4 minus 1. Okay. So now the solution: 2 power 4 minus 1. Okay, first to simplify the number. Okay, 2 power 4 minus 1, 2 power 4, that is equal to 16, minus 1, 15. Okay, what's the question? Find the number of ones in the binary representation. Binary representation base 2. Okay, so it is divided by 2. Okay, it is divided by 2. So 15 divided by 2, that is equal to remainder in upper with the 7 to 14 of remainder. Remainder, students, remainder in upper
1.
1. Okay, then again how to divide by 2. Okay, 3 2s are 6, then remainder 1. Okay, then 3 is there. Okay, again how to divide by 2, that is 2, 1 2 is 2. Okay, then remainder 1. Okay, so the binary number 1 1 1 1. Okay, base is 2. It's for reference now. Then find the number of ones in the binary representation of 2 power 3 minus 1. Okay, do it now. Find the number of ones in the binary representation 2 power 3 minus 1. Okay, can you tell me the answer now? So the example: find the number of ones in the binary representation of 2 power 3 minus 1. Okay, tell me the answer. Do it now. The question is: find the number of ones in the binary representation of 2 power 3 minus 1. First to simplify 2 power 3 8. Find the number of ones in the binary representation of 2 power 3 minus 1. First to convert it is to the binary. Okay, binary digits, binary number. Students, binary number enna answer kedikku? Hello, students.
7.
కూర్చున్నారు ఓకే మా ఆన్సర్ பைனரி நம்பர் என்னப்பா 0111 கிடைக்குதாமா ट्रिपल वन அப்போ
Yes, ma'am.
அப்போ how many numbers ones is there how many number of ones is there ma 3 ah
3 ones, ma'am.
3 ones okay ma there are 3 ones okay the next one important question number patterns okay ma survey okay ma number patterns let's see the next class okay let's wind up the class rationation போட போறேன் அதெல்லாம் ஓகேவா shall I wind up ma students hello
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
thank you ma thank you all
Thank you, ma'am.
thank you ma thank you ma